Yeah, it is a fine evening. You can see uh, this beautiful scenery, beautiful environment, live from Nyabohanse village, presented by Nyabohanse teacher. It is evening. You can see uh, our plants are still germinating. Well, just fertilizer is waiting to be put so that at least they can grow. But again, the main area that I would want us to see is where we planted uh, the beans and the maize. Yeah, I'm gonna show you step by step. You see the beans have sprouted very well, matured very well. So generally the shamba looks like that. It is dark a bit because it is evening here. Yeah, this is our home. This is where we stay. This one has started showing some signs of pest attack. Some small pests. Yeah, these ones will have to be sprayed very soon. These flowers sprouted also. Things are sprouting. It's raining here. Really raining. So naturally, things are sprouting. Let me show you another area next to my garden here. We have some vegetables that have just germinated. The environment is good. You can see agriculture, how we practice agriculture in the village. These are vegetables. This wonder again. This wonder. Plantain. It's a wonder, I tell you. So another one here. Gonna harvest it very soon. Yeah. This don't know, it's called Lantana Camara. What has caught my leg? It's, and this one catches your skin. It's gonna feel very painful, very painful. Anyway, let's continue our travel. Just travel with me and see what we have here. And recommend, advise. Though these have not yet, they are not done well. Yeah, this one has some fungal. Not well, but yeah, trying this one at least you cannot miss. Yes, I'm still yeah. So this. I just eaten one tomato. It's so nice, so nice. What can I say? Yeah. So these are products from this farm. The other one, the beans are already good. Yeah, so I think everything is fine. As you can see, I'm doing very well. Just had some breeze here. Yeah, you know how the village life is sometimes. You may be working and then you injure yourself just a bit. Yeah, so it has taken a while, but here we are, Nyabohanse village, the outskirts of Nyabohanse village. I am Nyabohanse teacher presenting to you today. Today is just a simple day, a simple video. I'm not going to take a lot of time. Yeah, so I was just showing the progress of the farm. The farm is good. Just some few additives we have to add so that at least they can sprout well. Some, I think, the maize there. The maize there they need DAP fertilizer for the root development. These ones, see, they are not really sprouted as much because they don't have additives. The DAP, the ammonium phosphate. Yeah, you can see that. So they just need some additives, including even the tomato. Now, gonna do it, God willing. Yeah, so finally we are on holiday. Wow, the Almighty God is good. I'm going to have plenty time to teach online students. I'm also going to have plenty of time to do my agricultural activities here in the village. As you can see, the background is good. The weather is good. God is so nice. God has done marvelous things to us. Yeah, so this is the time now. You have to do the vlogs. You have to do the vlogs so that we can learn from each other. We're not learning only English. We're also learning farming bit by bit. I'm also an upcoming farmer. I'm not say that I'm a veteran, but I'm upcoming. So starting from small scale to large scale, but so nice. Now in the village, not in the office, but my lessons will keep going. My English lessons. My students, wherever you are, you can watch my videos and learn during this holiday. Don't waste time scrolling. Just watch, learn, ask questions, comment. Yeah, you're going to learn a lot. I'm going to learn from you, and you're also going to learn from me. I'm planning to continue on my lesson on tenses, as also I continue on my blog on agriculture. Because I told you that apart from teaching English and Kiswahili in my channel, I also teach English because our curriculum nowadays dictates you're not supposed just to specialize on few subjects, you're supposed to specialize in many subjects. Yeah, so that's it. In fact, I'm very happy to my fans, my lovely subscribers from wherever you are or wherever country you are. Receive much greetings from me, Nyabohanse teacher. My returning viewers and subscribers, I really appreciate. May the Almighty God be with all of you. Him keep you safe, together with your families. My new subscribers, welcome to my channel. I hope you're enjoying. You are learning and relearning. Always remember to support my channel through liking, watching my videos up to end, giving positive feedback and comments, and remember to subscribe and also hit the notification button so that anytime I post my videos, you'll be the first person to get them. Yeah, so I love you so much, my community. I know there are people that want me to succeed in this channel. But again, if there are those that don't want, we leave everything unto God, because I know He's the one that will determine, and also my hard work. I'll try my best to improve, posting every time so that you catch a glimpse of what is happening in this village or in my life, so that as you're watching, you're being entertained and enjoying, you will learn a lot. So finally, I said earlier on, we are on holiday right now. I think it's going up to January 5th there. So all this time, I'll major myself in teaching and also doing my uh, agriculture blogs around the village, so that I'll also know what the teacher does outside teaching, outside class, so that at least we can have fresh food, also food security throughout the year. Yeah, if you have food, even if don't have enough, a lot of money, you will sustain your family here in the village. That is the beauty of staying in the village. Yeah, but again, if you stay in the town, you have a small piece of land. You can use innovative gardens. We call them container gardens. Don't have a lot of soil. You may not have a lot of land. You can take container gardens. You can even take a tire and put some soil in the tire and surround it around your house and plant some spinach or kales. You can take a sack of maybe cement or maize, put their soil. It becomes very easy to control it because it is a small scale. So you'll just apply, we advise you to apply organic manure there, so that at least there'll be the soil will be fertile. Yeah, plant whatever you can plant there, so that at least you have something of your own. Yeah, otherwise, I appreciate so much those ones that always come back to my channel. Welcome back again. This is Nyabohanse Teacher. I love you all. Yeah, so I hope anything that you want to communicate to me, my details or my phone number is on my bio. If you want to support my channel through any way or any means, my number is also on my bio. You can also advise where necessary what I can do best or what I cannot do, so that I learn. Learning is a continuous process. So my number is on the bio there. My email is also there. I'll soon add my PayPal details on my bio. Otherwise, yeah, let me keep doing nice content, nice videos, nice vlogs, so that we can connect as a family. Yeah, yeah, my friends, or wherever they were, wherever they are, my friends from Jamaica, my friends from UK, US, Canada, my friends from Nyabohanse village, my friends from Kenya, East Africa, my also fans from Nigeria and Sierra Leone and also Ghana. If you're watching this video, I really appreciate you people. I don't have anything to pay you. I don't have any token to pay you right now, but I believe that through your support, you're going to do good. You're going to improve. You're going to become the best, best blog. Yeah, you can comment on my video. If you look at the quality, tell me if it is good. If you have a suggestion, content suggestion, you can also reach me and tell me what you want to learn about, especially in my major, English and literature, and also Kiswahili. Those people that coming from wherever they don't speak Kiswahili as a native language. Habari zenu, that means how are you? jioni njema. That simply means good evening. So I will just say right now, right here, kuwa na jioni njema. Have a nice evening. Bless up, people. Have a lovely evening. Big up.